Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahnur Faruqi and I read in class 5th. Today my project topic is particle arrangement in matter materials. Everything around us which has mass and take up space is matter. Matter consists in the following three states: solid, liquid and gas. Now I would like to invite Javeria to continue this project.
Solid. The particles of solid are closely packed together and are unable to move. However, they can vibrate at a fixed point. Books, razors, goods, etc. are examples of solid. Now I would like to invite Huma to continue this project.
Liquid. Particles and liquid are not clustered together as in solid. They can move from one point to another.
Gas. The particles are very far apart from each other and can move randomly from one place to another.
That was short.